Have you ever had a hard time sleeping because you kept hearing noises all around your house? I'm having that problem right now. Shiver me timbers! I think there are robots in the house.
Hey, Fearfacer.
Ah! Take what you want, Dark Robot Commando. Just don't read my diary.
I think you've mistaken me for someone else.
Magic Moon? Hello?
Fearfacer, what are you still doing up? It's way past your bedtime.
I've been trying to sleep, but my house keeps making all these weird kinds of noises.
What kind of noises?
Like wabooshk, 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 wabooshk.
The washing machine?
Then ee-oo-ee, na 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 na.
The internet modem. Why do you still have dial-up?
I'm telling you, robots are in my room. I'm probably gonna get in trouble just for talking to you.
There aren't any robots in your room keeping you up, Fearfacer. It's just your brain. Your imagination is working on overdrive.
You mean my brain, the most powerful force in the universe, has betrayed me?
That's one way of putting it.
Fair enough. How do I outthink it?
Well, you can't just stop thinking scary thoughts. What you need to do instead is think about good thoughts, like how brave you are.
But I don't feel brave right now.
Emotions don't always tell the truth, Fearfacer. How about we sing a song?
I'm a fear facer and a dream chaser night, and it's gonna be alright, alright. Tonight, I can go ahead and close my eyes, and I'm a fear facer and a dream chaser. It seems that I can go ahead and chase those dreams tonight. I know it's gonna be alright. Sounds in the night can't keep me afraid, 'cause I'm a brave captain each night or day. And when I go to sleep, when I go to bed, I tell the silly crazy thoughts inside my head that I'm a fear facer and a dream chaser tonight, and it's gonna be alright, alright. Tonight, I can go ahead and close my eyes, and I'm a fear facer and a dream chaser. It seems that I can go ahead and chase those dreams tonight. I know it's gonna be alright tonight. It that I could go ahead and chase those.
Good night, Fear Facer. Chase those dreams.